Hello everyone, welcome back to Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log in to Stumble Guys application using your iPhone. If you want to get started with Stumble Guys, then there are 3 ways you can log in to your account. First, open your Stumble Guys application on your device, and once you're in this main homepage, tap on the gear button at the top right hand corner. This will then open up the settings menu. You'll be able to see the login options for Facebook, Apple, and email at the very top of the screen. You can select the method you want to log in with. If you choose the login with Facebook button, you'll need to go ahead and tap on the continue button to open up the Facebook website. Here, you might need to enter your Facebook account's credential if you're logging in for the first time. Go ahead and enter your Facebook account's email followed by its password, and then you'll be able to see this interface. Go ahead and tap on the continue button to connect to your Facebook account, and you'll be able to log in to Stumble Guys with Facebook. You can also sign in to Stumble Guys with your Apple ID. Tap on sign in with Apple and then click the continue button. Enter your Apple ID's credential when prompted, and soon after that, you should be able to log in with your Apple ID as well. Remember that you can also log in via email. Tap the green login button right next to email and then tap the continue button to end up in Scopely.com. Here, you'll need to go ahead and enter your Scopely account's credential. If you don't have an account yet, you can tap on this Create a Scopely account button and follow through the registration process. If you already have registered for Scopely, then you can easily enter your email. In the email text box, enter the email that is associated with your Scopely account. After you are done, tap on the Get Sign In link button. Now, tap on Open Gmail button. Once you open it up, you'll be able to see an email from Scopely account. Simply tap on it and tap on Sign in with Scopely. Select a web browser and you'll be able to log into your Stumble Guys account with Scopely. You can now get back to the application again, and as you can see that, you have successfully logged in to Stumble Guys. That is how it can be easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next episode. Goodbye till then.